Oh, I didn't know that. Here, we can try this one.
It's cooked.
Welcome back mga kababayan sa aking life story vlog kung saan ibinabahagi ko ang aking mga life experiences, interviews, travel, food, culture, and more. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button na nasa bottom right part of this video at ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag meron tayong mga bagong uploads.
My comfort meal is meatloaf.
Meatloaf is good.
Meatloaf with gravy.
You make them from scratch. Your leftover meat.
We're making tinolang. We have a little party today at Bill's
I did a lot
house.
of French cooking.
You can stay here somewhere, please.
Okay.
You come join us. Maybe you can help.
Well, my other lady next door here, she's from Peru, but she's a Buddhist.
Okay.
And so she takes these leaves to her monks,
She has different food too.
and she gives these leaves to the monks for tea.
Oh.
For tea, yeah. They make this into tea. But don't you have to...
Which one? Malunggay?
Yeah.
Malunggay tea? Wow, hindi ko na
There's
alam.
malunggay tea. You just boil it and then that's tea.
Where's the third lady?
Nanette?
Nanette is still getting some pancit, another dish
Okay.
she's buying, and Amy is dropping grandma.
Okay.
Tinola is cooking. We just have to put sayote and malunggay.
Well, all my grandparents were born in Germany, so we
So do you have German blood?
all German blood. And so we had a lot of German food.
You speak German?
This is Deutsch. So I took some in German in high school. But I'm not good with languages. I don't have a gift.
Oh, no, donkey.
That's thanks.
Hindi na ba iinitin yung dala mo, Day?
No, I don't think so. It's still... May malunggay tea nga talaga nag-ibili. Yung
Wow, hindi ko alam yun.
mga Pilipino.
Sabi niya, you can go there anytime eh.
I thought it was in his backyard.
You just have to text him and then he's good. I mean, you know, not even. You just go there. Pinugasan na yan lang. Malinis na yan.
Okay.
Ito, iinitin lang ako yung mga ito.
Buti na pabili ka na ng chicken.
Binili ko kahapon.
Yan mga love, ang chicken ay meron ng sayote. Anytime soon, lagyan natin ng malunggay.
Simple lang to, wala man lang kahit anong nilagay. Just luya, ginger, that's all. Mga labs today,
Flirting.
meron tayong very, very, very late birthday celebration for me. So, my friends are coming and we visit a friend, yung may-ari ng Malunggay Farm, dito sa bahay niya, mga labs. So, dito namin na-celebrate. Pero it's been late celebration. Okay lang. Malapit nang maluto ang chicken tinola with sayote and malunggay. Hindi natin i-overcook ang sayote kasi masarap pag medyo
Medyo crispy.
yeah.
Okay. I wonder if I can use this. Kaya lang, pag binasa ako, wala namang paglalagyan. Gamitin ko na ito, I'll just wash it.
Yeah. Para akong may-ari. But you know what? Be comfortable. Yan naman ang gusto niya. Si Jean ay nililinis ang malunggay. Oh my God, that's so cute. Tino mo.
Cute stainer.
Yeah. Nag-text si Nanette. Ano kaya to?
Hi.
Hello. We're doing a family gathering today.
Lapit na.
Mga inato-ato.
I'm doing great. Yeah.
I brought some. Oh, smells good.
Chicken tinola.
Bill, run baby to your house.
I love it. It's either feast or famine.
Finally taste. Halo-halo.
Oh, that's what.
Oh wow, did you?
But this is gonna melt.
No, we can put it in
I mean, it's
Freezer's right there behind me.
Get hard.
Yeah, no,
No, the freezer.
that's wrong. Actually, I like that.
You won't be putting that.
Maybe you should eat this first.
Oh, no.
Oh, I didn't know that. Here, we can try this one.
It's cool.
We skip the church,
Skip the church lunch.
Yeah.
I don't know all your names really. So,
Jean,
all right. So I know your Jean.
Eve,
Nanette.
Amy.
Okay. Oh, it's your camera.
There's Bill. Okay.
oh, there's more. Okay.
I am showing you right now the Sri Swami Narayan Mandir. It's a temple, so we try and see what's in there. This is a very, very interesting place, quite popular. Today I am taking you to Sri Swaminarayan Mandir Hindu Temple in San Bernardino County in Southern California. This is just quite amazing. Wow, I don't know what to say. This is too beautiful to even describe. Okay, I am trying to view the temple from afar. That is the temple. I'm gonna go inside in a minute. In the meantime, look at that. This is so pretty right here. That's a very close up take of the temple. Oh my gosh, this is breathtaking. That is actually the visitor center That's where you go in before you can go even inside the temple. Oh my gosh. The designs is so intricate. The carvings are out of this world. See? Oh yeah. Wow. Look at the columns. See the columns? It's amazing.
Feel that